Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, especially the third ICAS 2020 committee in Padang. Today I will present our research about non-contact thermometer for human with internal data storage and voice output feature. Before the presentation start, I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Hikmatul Amri and I from the Department of Electrical Engineering at Bengkalis State Polytechnic, and in here I am the first author in this research. The second author is Mr. Stefan, and the third author is Mr. Jeffrey Lianda. They are also from the same place with me. Okay, let's just start the presentation. Introduction. Coronavirus or COVID-19 in Indonesia, according to Kompas.com data, the coronavirus or COVID-19 in Indonesia start at early March 2020. According data from Satgas Penanganan COVID-19, until now there are 303,498 confirmed positive case, 228,453 total patient recover, and 11,151 total patient die. One indication of COVID-19 is body temperature above 38 degrees Celsius and feeling tired and dry cough. To measure body temperature, we can use the infrared technology. In infrared technology, some research many use in the research about temperature measurement with infrared technology. Example in health sector by Ivan et al. 2014, and features such as internal data logger with data storage by Carey and Williamson in 2018, and external data logger storage with IoT technology by Marquez and Pitarma in 2019. So in this research, a temperature reading device was developed with the addition of a sound output so that the reading could be directly heard by human who measure in the temperature. Besides that, there is also an additional feature of internal data storage in memory slot up to 2 gigabytes. The purpose of this storage is used in health service places such as health center and hospital. In this intent, so that officer no longer need to collect data manually, but it's automatically on this tool. Okay, next, MLX 90614 infrared. This is a block diagram from MLX module sensor. In this thermal or human body thermal can be detected in thermopile detector chip. After that, the signal put in op-amp. In this op-amp, the signal is processed and into ADC. In ADC, in this module, they are used 17-bit analog to digital converter. After that, the signal into DSP or digital signal processing to get the high resolution and accuracy of thermal data. And input to PWM or pulse width modulation. In this PWM, use 10-bit data PWM. All process controlled by state machine and supplied by voltage regulator with 5-volt DC supply. Next, hardware and design, software design. In hardware, I show two picture. First picture is block diagram. In this research, use this block diagram. There is one input is MLX module sensor, and there are three output. First output is OLED display module to display temperature value, and second output is SD card module to save the temperature value, and the third output is DF flyer module to output the voice from data MLX, data temperature MLX. And one module power bank, it's connected by Li-ion battery. We use 2 Li-ion battery in this research. And this is wiring diagram, connect all devices in the research. Same like a block diagram in this picture, wiring diagram. MLX module and OLED display, they use integrated circuit communication or I communication. There are 4 bus data, 2 wire connect in power supply, 5-volt and 5-volt red color and 0-volt black color. Data pin connect SDL from MLX and OLED display can we parallel and connect to pin A5 in Arduino Nano. And SDA pin from MLX module and OLED module connect to pin A4 in Arduino Nano. SD card module, we use a serial peripheral interface or SPI communication. There are 6 pin used, 2 pin or 2 bus to power supply, 5-volt red line and 0-volt black line. And there is offer use for data MISO to 12 pin, MOSI to 11 pin, SCK to 13 pin, and chip select to pin number 4 in Arduino Nano. And the DF flyer, we use a serial communication. There is a 4 bus, VCC to 5-volt, a red line, ground to 0-volt, a black line, and TX green line to number 3 pin for Arduino Nano, and RX pin to pin number 2 in Arduino Nano. 2 Li-ion battery are connected parallel so that they increase current value with a 3.8 volt, and with the module power bank we step up the voltage up to 5 volt to supply all component. Okay, next, result of experiment. In experiment, we testing this tool 3 type of testing. First testing is MLX module for 10 time with 5 different combination. Second test is testing the SD card module, and the third testing is the DF player module. This is a graphic from first testing with 1 centimeter of distance. There is we get average of measurement difference is 1.62 degree for a measurement from 36 to 46 degree. This is a experiment sensor from 2 centimeter of distance. In this experiment, we get average difference is 1.43 degree Celsius. This is a experimental sensor from 3 centimeter of distance. We get average difference is 1.66 degree Celsius. This is a experiment from 4 centimeter of distance. From the graphic, we get average difference is 2.19 degree Celsius. This is a experiment sensor from 5 centimeter of distance. From the graphic, we get a difference is 2.47 degree Celsius. Okay, next, result of SD card module. This is a data sensor reading from MLX module, and this is write data to SD card module. We get average of time is 154.4 in millisecond, and they are a success save data to SD card. A result of DF player module. In this experiment, we read a sensor data from human body and output from DF player module will speak in Indonesian language, and they are a success to output the voice same from data sensor. And this result, average of voice output time, we get 1754.8 millisecond. Okay, next, conclusion. The result of testing MLX module sensor, it's known the further of sensor distance from the object, the greater reading error. The small error is obtained on measure with a distance 1 centimeter from object or from human body, with average error of 0.62 degree Celsius for temperature measurement from 33 up to 40 degree Celsius. Well, in the test module, SD card module, we get a time for one time for storage is 154.4 millisecond, and the module DF player can speak from data sensor with time average is 1754.8 millisecond. Okay, thank you for your attention, and I end with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.